What if students could move beyond textbooks and actually build the future? With our advanced robotics kit, learning robotics and automation becomes hands-on, exciting, and real. From creating an Arduino robot to designing a complete DIY robot, students explore real concepts of robotics engineering, robot design, and automation systems. Build your own robot car, control a remote control robot, and understand how robot technology powers real-world robotics automation. Students don't just build robots, they create innovative projects like a laser security alarm system, understand the working of laser security alarms, and explore real engineering applications. From a powerful Tesla coil project to a sustainable solo robot kit, our STEM robot programs combine science, coding kits, and practical automation into one powerful learning experience. These STEM education kits help students understand what a STEM kit truly means: learning by building, experimenting, and solving real problems. Whether it's robotics projects for beginners or advanced robotics and automation systems, students gain real technical skills in coding, electronics, and robot motors. Start building, start coding, start innovating with IEM Robotics today.